Hello and welcome to BackupEarth. In this video we're going to show you how to back up a file using the BackupEarth software. We're going to back up this file test1.txt, which is on my desktop at the moment. To do this, we bring up the Backup Explorer page. You right click the BackupEarth icon in your tray manager and select Backup Explorer. The first page to appear should be your Backup Details tab. We know the file is on our desktop, so we'll select Desktop. Before we do that, we need to give it a group name. Groups are groups of files that are scheduled to back up at a particular time. For example, you could pick My Documents and select your My Documents folder. You could select My Letters and select the Letters folder. Wherever it may be, you give every backup run a group. Groups are the names of the backup runs. In our case, we're going to call this My First Backup, and it's there ready for us. And we need to set a schedule from when we want this to run. So we click Set Schedule. My First Backup appears. At the moment it's showing daily. Its default time is 2 AM. If I want to change the default time, I just put a tick here and I can make it 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock, where it may be. Over to my right hand side, I have a choice of create a new backup file. What this does is it'll create new copies of the file every time it's set to run. For example, if the file changed on a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday and a Thursday, then you would have a Monday backup, a Tuesday backup, a Wednesday backup and a Thursday backup. You leave it to overwrite. You would have, and the file changes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you would only have the Thursday backup, as it will overwrite the existing backup every time. The second thing is compress files. This does not damage your software in any way, nor does it alter or change it. It just speeds up the process of uploading the file. The default is leave it clicked on. If you're very concerned, you can take this off by saying leave files uncompressed. In our case, we leave it compressed. And we want to create a new backup file for every time we do a backup. Click OK. Now we select our test1.txt file. It was on our desktop, so we go to Desktop, with a second, and there it is, test1.txt, and it's telling us at the moment no backup run found. To the right hand side, we'll explain these in just one moment. We're going to put a tick mark on it, which means we want this file to be part of this group and to back up at this time, 5:03 in the morning. Once I'm happy with the files I've selected, I click Save and so this into the database. A message appears. You can't see here on my PC, but on your Windows save complete. Click OK, and that's it done. Now to our right hand side, when we click on the test file here, it tells us there's a test.txt. That's our file size. It's waiting. That means it hasn't gone to be backed up yet. It's ready to be sent. We have our server file number. It's not set to overwrite, and it's set to compress. And we click our test file again, and just done. We see My First Backups file name set every Monday, because I have Monday ticked. It's actually daily. We set it for at 5:03 in the morning. And that's how you queue a file to be backed up in the BackupEarth servers.